Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2017 Nissan Frontier Crew Cab SV that we have for sale. This one is a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle from the West Coast. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. If you're in the market for a compact pickup of 4 doors, this is a great one to consider. Very nice shape inside and out, nice color combination. 30,649 miles. This has a fantastic 4-liter V6 engine. One fantastic engine. It makes 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. So really is a nice engine. That's matched to a 5-speed automatic transmission. You have this nice premium cloth interior. Plenty of storage throughout. Nice simple infotainment system. Parking camera. Nice contoured steering wheel. You have Bluetooth, and then you have radio controls, things like that. When it comes to compact pickup trucks, Nissan Frontier has always been an excellent choice. The styling is easy on the eye. It has really nice driving dynamics. They've been very practical and reliable. They've been making this generation of the Frontier since 2004. I don't really think they've made any significant changes for 2020, 2021. Generally, pickup trucks, especially compact pickup trucks, tend to have a longer product cycle than cars. Like where Honda will redesign the Civic and the Accord like clockwork every 4 years. Trucks are a little bit more utilitarian. So they get a longer product cycle. So I guess some people might say, okay, they haven't made many changes since 2004. What's up with that? I want the latest and greatest in technology. Well, that's definitely a good point. But I also look at it as, when you make something for a long time, generally you work all the kinks out and you have better reliability, less defects, less production issues. So if they've been making the same basic pickup since 2004. By 2019, I think they've probably worked most of the kinks out. And don't take my word for it. I'm sure if you look at Consumer Reports quality ratings, I'm sure the Frontier does quite well. And when you have a vehicle like this, it's front-engined, rear-wheel drive. It's a very simple powertrain layout. It's not very complex. Pretty easy vehicle to work on. It's something that you could probably do a little bit more maintenance on yourself versus some other cars that are a little bit more complex these days. It's a little bit harder to do like maintenance on a hybrid Prius or something like that versus a simple pickup truck like this. Right now we have a complimentary delivery up to 250 miles. We can put this on our car hauler, tow it to your house. You can take it for a little spin, look it over, make sure you like it. If you do, you can sign the paperwork. All the paperwork, pre-approval, all that stuff that can be done online and over the phone. We can print it up for you, bring it up with the vehicle. Passes muster, you sign the paperwork. You have this beautiful Frontier without having to leave your neighborhood. And if you're a little bit further away, we ship cars all over the country. We have a very big pre-owned business. There's not too many of these two-wheel drive Frontiers around. I think looking at our market software, I think there's only maybe 1 or 2 other ones in the area. So really nice find, clean Carfax, one owner from the West Coast. Beautiful color combination. You have these nice premium alloy wheels. Come in, take it for a drive. Contact us with any questions. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.